Welcome to Adventures with CNC, and today in this video we are going to be going to a new food truck that is in our neighborhood for one day only, right?
Yep, just today.
I'm excited. Me too.
Yeah, the food truck is here because of the whole lockdown and the fact that people can't get out. So our neighborhood coordinated having a food truck come in so that way people can order some food and not have to have macaroni and leftovers again.
KC Concoctions had it set up to where we could order and pay for our food yesterday and say what time we would be there. We each had a time allotted to us. So then that way we could keep our social distancing from each other.
I got nachos.
Philly chicken cheesesteak.
I have the best thing ever, pulled pork.
So what do you guys think so far?
Really
So good. I want to have this every day. The best I've ever had. Well, you have more.
Even better than the ones from the Mizzou games that you had?
Not as good, but
Different.
yeah, they're different.